Good evening, sir. So my name is Gerald T. Nunez, and I'm from Base IT 3D. So this evening, I will be explaining my front end for my system, for our system in Capstone. So mo na akong front end. So we have the pages. Mana ako mga tuan gitong buhat use port to use effect navigation mga interface ya form data name email password ini then maka handle change input or react change input to input element target name. The next cons handle form submissions if is a login form data email password catch error, so we use a catch error console.log authentication error. Return so mo nang class name container then natong kuan ni dari ang full name sa login full name full name input data control then mo arita the password full name password email enter your email enter your email enter your full name then enter your password then confirm mo na ito makita confirm then register then login. So mo na CSS global mga layout. So mga layout ani so yara import add provider title description kaya e-commerce so one react add provider walang layout we use gamit a bootstrap so the CSS bootstrap then CSS then nata dari tong provider export and try switch products then arita sa return. So flower shop so yun h1 either h1 class name flower shop ang among ang title and span name mga so mga sa image so image sa image and the description sa class name no product available. So we go to the loader so mo na loader class div class Spanner Brothers Japan Then this is then sa navbar. So class name, navbar, background, container, then L1 ay LI, nav item, dashboard. So mana ang button, logout, home, bigyan login, so maro to ang front end. Napaday sa app provider day.
Mga sakti, okay lang dyan sa. Gani ko na lang na ko eh.
So mga ni cons register use para sa mga logout. Then mga na to. Thank you.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. I am Teresito Laom Jr. and I'm going to explain the code in our system. So this is the back end of our system. Auth controller is a namespace and a class of auto control extend controller, and public function register is a GS response, or this is name, email, password, and to create attributes was data, status, message. So this one, profile function, public function profile, and here, and also the controller. This is the controller and the product. This one, it's app models, product, eliminate product controller, public function index, product, return response, public function store, this one, public function show, this one, and also the public function update, description codes, and also the public function destroy. For the product, and the models, this one, protected, title, description, banner image, post, and user ID, and also the user HP, this one, closer extend applicable, also the name, email, password, and the password, the member token, also the email verified, date, time, password, hash, also the providers, app service provider, this one. So in Bootstrap, this one, a Bootstrap, it's a made with middleware and with exceptions, and also the provider, this one, and the configuration, the app, the old The catch. Is all in the catch and the database. And also the life, the file system, and the logging PHP. Mail, view, on Sanctum, and also the services. This one, notification, says resend Slack, postmark, the session driver, this one. Database. This one. It is inside the migration. This one, and this one, also this one. And also the seeders. Database seeders. This one. That's all. Thank you.
So, good evening sir. Yes, magandang buhay. My name is Tero Robert T. from BIS IT 3D. This time, I will show you a short demonstration to our simple e-commerce. So, I have here already account for this system. So, don't worry because I will demonstrate you to register. So, here I am signing in my account. So login successful. So here we have here view products. For example, we have here products which is these two, or put here a product title. So for example, watch. Description, it's up to you if what you want to put there. Lorem ipsilon. So cost, it's up to you if the cost is 300 baron or 400. So let's say 500. Then choose file. Naka-view naman ka sa products. So nakapili na ka dito namtay image sa products. So for example, choose file. Watch. Open. It will show on, it will display here. So add product. So back to the dashboard to refresh the system. Let's go back to the dashboard. So after we buy here a product, it will go to product list. So this time I will show you how to register. Click the register link, then it will go to a registration dashboard or survey form. For example, enter your full name. For example, Robert Tiro. Then email address. Enter password. It's up to you if what's your password of your Gmail account or email account. Confirm password, then register. Then after register, it will go to login. So you can log in now. Okay, that's it.